Hello, my name is Luke and I'm introducing and showing off to you today the new pull-up backpack. Firstly, this is made of a water-resistant nylon which covers the entire case. At the bottom here we have a leatherette plastic which is easily cleanable, and we've also got some sturdy wheels at the base here. On top of that we have a breathable material at the back here just for the cushioning when you're wearing this as a backpack, which I'll demonstrate in a moment. If you open up this quick compartment here, it gives you quick access to your phone, if you wish to place your phone in this little zipper here. Alternatively, you've also got access to this bag at the top here, which can be used for toiletries, passports, anything that's quick, easy access and essential whenever you're at the airport. On top of that, we have some quick access pockets on the side here. This first one that I'll demonstrate is for your sunglasses or anything else that's small that you can place in there. This next pocket, what we've done is we put in power bank, but again, anything that fits you can place in here that you need quick access to. On this side, however, we've got access for your water bottle. On top of that, inside the zipper, you've got access for an umbrella. The main selling point of this backpack is if we open up these straps here, as you can see, pull out the backpack straps, and at the base here, you just unzip this, reach in, pull out a cover. This will cover up the wheels so that when you're using it as a backpack, as I am here, you won't get any of the wheel dirt on your back. Now when you're in the airport, you open up this compartment at the back here, you have quick access to make it into a trolley whenever you need to just run through the airport. In addition, we've got some clasps here, which can be used for when you're in the airport, just want to take off your coat, keep it secure, clasp it up like this. And then in its trolley mode, you've got access to your jacket, but it's not going anywhere. Main selling point, pull-up products. I'll just open up this section here, flip this open. You'll see you've got access to everything that you've packed. However, by twisting this little piece at the back here, pull, lift, you now have a complete open compartment, so you don't need to lie your bag on the floor. Final piece here, just at the top, got access for laptop, which is protected because of the cover on here. All these zippers are YKK graded zippers, so they are the best zippers in the industry. Change the way you travel. Buy a pull-up backpack now.
pullupcase.com